Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty then, we've got a pasture-raised egg. Some American cheese. Keep the camera steady, Mike. It's not that hard. This is some sourdough bread and some butter. It's that simple. Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing? It's another one of my simple fried egg recipes. I know you guys love them. I love them. This is going to be, it's really a grilled cheese with a fried egg. It's going to be a fried egg on grilled cheese toast. Let's bit the batter together. Check it out. First thing I'm going to do is butter this up. And then we're going to put this in a pan that's heated to medium. It's being heated right now. And melt the cheese. And then after that, we're going to fry this egg. What's in the title? The word simple. I told you how simple it was. There's the butter. There's the toast. Let's put that on there. Let's get a little sizzle. You take the cheese and you put it on like thus. And I'm going to keep this on like medium to medium low. And we want that to melt. It should take a couple minutes. To encourage the melting, I'm going to cover it. See you in a couple. All right, it's been a little over a minute. Let's check it out. That's looking good. So the cheese starts melting. You want to make sure the bottom is toasted. That's got a little more ways to go. This baby is done. Take it out. We're going to put some butter in. Yeah, just a little head. Lower that. Drop that egg in. More. This browning here is probably going to make the egg look a little browner than you want it. It happens. Doesn't mean the egg is not kind of perfect. How about a little pepper? I like that for that pepper. I think this baby's ready for a flipper already. Check it out, flipper. Shut it off. We'll put this baby together. All right, that's the melted toast and cheese. Here's that beautiful egg. Oh, that's gorgeous. Let's cut into it. Might as well start right now. There's your close-up. Let's see how it looks with the yolk busting out. Oh yeah, that's a baby. Big delicious bite coming up. All right, there it is. Remember, there's cheese under there, and that's going to be the key to flavor town. All right, let's try the bite. Oh. The cheese makes a difference. You can taste that. The egg is cooked perfectly, nice and runny. Sourdough bread, it's just right. See, got toasted on the bottom. One more. And when you bust it, you got that extra yolk there. You wipe it up like that. Well, why do these things happen? Creamy, full of protein, easy to make, simple, and delicious. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. I'm serious, I got over 1,000 videos. Check them out. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Just saying. Sorry, guy. Stop talking with your mouth full, Mike. Now that was Sweet Bubble. This time I'm not kidding. I just want to say, let's get rid of this damn pandemic. How's that sound? So we can go back to normal. Right? I mean, that's what you want, isn't it? course you do, right? Of 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 course you do. Don't do it again, right? Baba.